Hello, hello. Welcome to Chop It Up. I am ROXX-A-MILLION. How y'all doing? Yeah, so I wanted y'all to see that price of that chuck roast. Over $30. And I had a special request from one of my special people. And I asked him what he wanted me to cook. So he said, I want you to cook a pot roast. So I said, okay. Couldn't say, Lonnie, we got you. So that's what we're going to be making tonight, a pot roast. And I was just flabbergasted at the person sitting in the highest seat in the land became a car salesman selling Teslas while people losing their jobs. Don't y'all get tricked. No picketing, no protesting, none of that. It's so much other better things to do with our time. Like, thoughts become things, so let's just choose good ones, okay? So I just want y'all to know that we finna get in here and make some pot roast, and we're gonna do it a different way. I'm gonna do it in a bag, and to go with that, we're gonna have some mashed potatoes as well as some mixed vegetables. All right, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so right now I have this beautiful cut of meat here. This chuck roast. It's 2.75 pounds. I have marinated it in some olive oil, and I'm going to put it in the oven bags, which is these Reynold oven bags, and these are the only bags that I use. They're good, they're reliable, and it's a really convenient way to cook a tender piece of meat. So I'm going to put the roast in this bowl, and I'm going to start the seasoning process after I add in. No, I think I'm gonna add the seasoning first because I'm gonna massage it. So I have some paprika. I have some garlic powder, some black pepper. It's more than usual because it has to coat the vegetables. I have some dehydrated onions, some Everglades Seasoning. I have some onion powder, and I have some dried parsley. And to that, I'm going to add celery, green onions, green peppers, and red peppers. Not green onions. Y'all know I be everywhere sometimes. I got some onions, some red niblets, and you know I cut them so I can make sure they're good inside, as well as some whole baby carrots. And with this mixture, I am going to get it together, massage everything. Okay, so I got it mixed up in here. And what I'm about to do is I have to add some flour. So I have all-purpose flour here. And they say a couple of teaspoons, but I'm just going to spread it around here as I normally would. This is to make a gravy. And a half a cup of water. That's the instruction for the bag. And then you put this zip tie on here that comes with it. I gotta poke holes in it anyway, y'all, so that's not a big deal. I'm gonna put that Clorox on it. You have to put holes in these bags. You have to cut like 5 slits in it, so it's kind of heavy. It's supposed to hold up to 5 pounds. This is 2.7 pounds, but I guess it's a little heavier with all the vegetables that I put in it. Let's say 5 slits, half an inch. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the oven for a couple hours at 350. All right, we'll check on this one. All right, y'all, this is what I'm sipping on. Me and Big Papa XXL 16 mango. We already drunk one of these, and that was the which one that was? We had peach. Yeah, we drank the peach. Now we got mango left. So we about to do something unconventional tonight as I enjoy this nice sweet wine. I really gotta be trying to entertain y'all and give y'all some good content, because I'm going to tell about another episode of Black Malice. And this time I'm gonna let my husband put these sticks on my ass, because he beats me really bad in pool until I just like I don't be want to play him. But I'm gonna play him, and we gonna chop it up a little bit. So come on, I'm finna go on in here and get my behind kicked, because he growed up with a pool table. I played pool really good periodically, but lately he beat me so bad so I don't even want to see no pool sticks. All right, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product, and I paired it with some mixed vegetables, and I made some garlic mashed potatoes, and of course, you know, I put the Holy Trinity, as well as some potatoes and carrots. And when I tell you this thing is fork tender, it's fork tender. You don't need no knife to cut that. You don't need no knife to cut that. Child, I know this thing was gonna be so good. That's why I brought y'all in the dining room. I said, this will sit down here, baby. Lonnie Morgan, LC and Cheryl, boy. This ain't him, boy. You asked for it, and Big Cuz delivered. I delivered the goods on this, baby. This them good groceries. Lonnie, run to the store. Get your bag. Get your meat. I'm gonna do like Jaden say. Listen to your cousin. Listen to your cousin. Listen to your cousin. I don't want to be taking all them kind of big kind of bites like that. Look at that. I need you for half a century, baby. These half a century biting it like that, like biting it like butter. Oh, I'm not supposed to. It's not a mukbang. We're in the dining room. This is delicious. And I'm going to tell y'all, like I always tell y'all, I wish each and every one of y'all good health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and money. And what I do want from you is to become a subscriber. My goal is 100. That's not. And you got to get the 100 before you be saying, oh, I want this and all that. I want 100 subscribers. And I know y'all going to subscribe. And I want y'all to like, comment, and share. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. We're going to have a business with this plate.